Hey there, boys and girls. Today I would like to present something to you that I guarantee you haven't seen so far. Why am I messing around with this gun like this? Because it is so light that I simply can. And before we start with today's pest control session, let me take you back to the workshop for a little while so that I can tell you more about this little beast. Let's go! This, ladies and gents, is the latest evolution in stocks for the Huben K1. I would say it has become customary for the brand to constantly look for ways to increase the K1's performance and characteristics. What you see is a carbon fiber stock which reduces the K1's total weight by 600 grams, that's more than 1.3 pounds. Making it a 2.7 kilo air gun, the K1 becomes the most powerful bullpup in both 22 and 25 under 3 kilos on the market. And we're talking about a semi-auto air gun that has really proved its accuracy over the years. Another advantage is that with this stock the center of mass moves slightly forward, which improves the overall balance and feel of the air gun. Adding to that last point, the stock has also had its shape slightly modified, making it both more ergonomic and more aggressive in its appearance. The carbon fiber K1 also includes the following: a quick detach sling swivel, a Picatinny rail for a bipod or other accessories, and one that has this nice protection cap. And the carbon fiber suppressor, which complements the overall look of the gun. In order to be able to mount it, the carbon fiber shroud comes with a pre-installed 1/2 inch UNF adapter. And let me point out one thing that I noticed immediately. The vent holes on the shroud are not where they used to be on my K1 2020 edition. They used to be located at the front of the shroud. As of 2021, Huben have started drilling those at the back, and as soon as I fired the first shot out of this gun, I realized it is more quiet that way, even without an additional suppressor on. I just don't believe how quiet this gun is. Put the hush on it and you got a mouse fart quiet beast of an air rifle. And now that you know that I'm holding a much improved version of the famous Huben K1, I invite you to join me for smacking some of the sky rats. Let's go, I can hardly wait! Oh yes, and I'll be shooting slugs today, and I chose the Zans because they come in size .253, which is great for the magazine of the Huben K1. They come in two versions depending on the weight, 33 grains and 38 grains. I've chosen the 33 grains obviously. I did some testing and it turned out that the Huben K1 shoots those best at a velocity of 870 feet per second. Well, that's 60 yards at an insane incline. Eurasian doves again, just like the last time. Oh, got it. Okay. And being so light and ergonomic, I thought I won't even use a bipod today. So I just left the Picatinny rail cap on. There we go, these are much closer. Close to 50 yards. Again, upward. King of the neck shots, as one of my viewers dubbed me. Okay. My rangefinder tells me 50 degrees incline on this one, hence the hold under. Good. This gun is super easy to carry around with this carbon fiber stock, especially with the QD sling attached to it. Even with the carbon fiber moderator on, it's still clear off the ground. But that also depends on how tall you are, I guess. Look at this. Look at this. It would seem to me that the Eurasian doves are the species that are going to plague this place next. I wonder if my lapel mic managed to pick up that clanking noise in the background. There is a lot of activity today at my permission. That's why I decided to lay off the long shots, and that is why I'm shooting at those insane angles. Oh yeah, I think I was right. She already managed to snatch some of my birds today, but apparently she's still hungry. So let's indulge her. Same as always. Some cat footage. You got Eurasian doves right next to feral pigeons. Hold under again. Okay, landed right next to me. And the follow-up on this one. I have no idea what pigeon survives a direct impact of a 33 grain slug to the chest. Okay, now this tough guy is gone. Guys, I think it's official. This is the toughest pigeon that I've seen so far, after so many years of pest control. There hasn't been any activity with my permission for the past 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna go make another round of the entire complex, see if I can find something. And in the meanwhile, I just wanted to show you that that's another way to carry the Huben K1, and I think it's very comfortable. Very good stock design. If you don't fancy using a sling, that's the way to go. There's another one. Good. A few final words about the Huben K1 at the end of today's episode. It's gonna be vlogging style. I think that this is a great gun, and this carbon fiber stock makes it even greater. There's also a confession that I have to make. There are only a couple of those available at this point worldwide. I don't think this stock is already in serial production, but soon it's going to be, and it's going to be available. From Cisco, from the Huben airguns shop, was kind enough to select me to be one of the 3 guys that are going to review this gun and say what they think about it. And I gotta tell you, I am really impressed with this. Because I have to send this gun back, I'm not sure that I'll be able to make another video of me shooting it, but one day, hopefully, I'll be making videos of me shooting my own Huben K1 carbon fiber stock. So I hope you enjoyed this video, boys and girls. If you did, please share, like and subscribe, and also stay tuned because there'll be more interesting content coming to the channel pretty soon. I'd like to say thank you for watching, and also thanks to Francisco Ezeaga from the Huben airguns shop. Catch you guys on the next one.